Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Sorry from over there and I feel like to come over.
I'm really sorry, but I'm actually waiting on somebody and I'm not interested.
That's no problem.
Alright.
I'm waiting on somebody. It's no. I had to tell you.
But I'm kind of not interested in men.
Me neither. Me not interested in man neither.
I'm a lesbian. I would like women.
I'm a lesbian as well. I only date women. What do you have to say?
I'm waiting on my girlfriend to come. So can we not like be introduced right now?
Oh, you have a... Well, I have a girlfriend as well, you know, so nothing is wrong. So what's the problem?
Just that I'm just gonna have to decline your very gracious offer because I am with somebody waiting on her to come and here she's right now actually. And she to be red light.
What? Leah. So B. My girlfriend to you.
Kuya, watch ya now, I coulda with you when the backside.